So how's your day going?
It's going good, actually. I got my hair cut this morning, so I was worried I wasn't going to have time for it.
So you're ready for this interview?
Ready. I had to get, tidied up just for this interview. So the different type of auto parts that we ship, I really enjoy this because we ship anything from engines, nuts and bolts, wheels, transmissions. It starts with the team coming in, making sure that the previous day that we're checking on all of our loads, seeing what loads are open for the current day, but then also I've got 2 account managers that I check in with along with a support lead to make sure our support team has direction, that our sales has direction, and then trying to handle any issues that may arise. We mainly do dry van. That's probably 95% of the freight that's moved with our auto part manufacturers. There are some refrigerated, like some paints, some raw metals that we have to use on refrigeration to prevent any rust, but that's the main parts. We don't hardly do any flatbed. So the tools and technology we use to track our shipments, we have several partners that we work with. MicroPoint and Trucker Tools are the biggest. We also use Text Locate that can text the driver for updates throughout the shipments. But then there's also a lot of the carriers that we use. They have their own ELD tracking within their systems, and they can actually send us a link that we can put in our loads that give real-time tracking, how fast they're going, and things like that. Sales and myself, we're all on call 24/7. We have a staff here 24/7. Christmas, New Year's Day, no matter what, we're going to have people here, and if there's a problem, we jump in. There's been times on holidays where we've had to recover a load. We take the time to recover the load to ensure that we service the customer. What sets Syfan apart? I think it's our scalability. From 21 to 22, we tripled in size with one of our auto manufacturers, and due to our model that we have, we were able to scale up to 3 times the size and not have a service problem. On the reverse side, when the market gets tight or when the shipping needs are not there and we have reduced lanes, we're able to scale down just the way that we're able to scale up. Most rewarding when we ask one of the customers, like, hey, what sets us apart? What makes us different? And one of the things that they said was accessibility. 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, we always answer the phone. It's on the weekends, we always answer the phone. And that's one thing they bragged about was like, Syfan's always accessible. You're always available. Then get a hold of someone. We can try and come up with a solution, whatever that may be. So that's probably one of the most rewarding, and it turned into receiving a Supplier of the Year award from one of the auto manufacturers. So, it's years of hard work, even though it's for 1 year. You go back and look at the 6 years I've been in it now, seeing the growth and now being rewarded for it as a team, that's pretty special.